Fedora introduces a new spin called Fedora Cosmic Spin featuring the Cosmic desktop environment from System 76. This is a brand new distribution with fresh desktop experience. Cosmic is a modern and easy-to-use desktop environment packed with useful features. Compared to GNOME or KDE Plasma, it is a lightweight and resource-efficient, offering a minimal yet refined user experience. Fedora 42 with Cosmic Desktop feels truly next level. I have been using it for a few days now and the experience has been excellent. While Cosmic Desktop is not fully stable yet and you may encounter some minor bugs, these should be resolved in the coming months. This is the default login screen manager. It displays the time, date, battery, Wi-Fi, and system controls on the left. On the right, you will find the username and password field. It also allows switching between different desktop environments. Now let's log in and explore the desktop. Now this is the Cosmic Desktop home screen, a simple and user-friendly. It features a top panel and a bottom dock. The top panel includes the Applications menu, Workspace switcher, Date or Time applet, and System controls. The Applications menu opens a neatly organized app drawer where you can create custom groups. The Workspace switcher lets you navigate workspaces, and selecting Workspaces button shows an overview of all open applications. On the right, system controls like sound, Wi-Fi, battery, notifications, and power are well organized. The power menu even lets you set a battery charge limit for longevity. The bottom dock contains the app list for easy access to favorite applications. The Cosmic Desktop features Cosmic settings for UI customization with a sidebar organizing settings into sections. You can customize window controls, panels, and applets. You can add the Cosmic Launcher, which is similar to KRunner, or resize panels via style options. You can also change accent colors, themes, and switch between light and dark modes. You can also adjust workspace orientation such as vertical or horizontal. Configuring keyboard, mouse, and touchpad behavior is very easy. Now, other sections include to manage displays, sound, system, accounts, and language settings. You can also tweak resolution and sound output. The Cosmic Desktop brings a revamped tiling feature and includes the option to toggle auto tiling per workspace. Now, this enhancement improves auto tiling and provides two types of tiling that can be set for all workspaces or individually. You can enable the tiling mode with one click. Now, thanks to the intelligent tiling behavior, you can drag the window into tile blocks which adjust automatically. The Cosmic Desktop introduces new applications built in Rust. Now, as of now, it includes File Manager, Cosmic Terminal, Cosmic App Store, and Cosmic Text Editor. The Cosmic Text Editor is a lightweight yet powerful editor with built-in tabs, Git integration, a project browser, and Vim bindings, which is great for coding. Cosmic Terminal is beautifully designed from scratch, showcasing the effort behind Cosmic's Rust-based ecosystem. Cosmic App Store is well organized, categorizing applications and offering an easy update option. It's time to talk about the performance of the Fedora Cosmic Desktop. Honestly, Fedora 42 is still in beta, which is kind of buggy at the moment. However, this doesn't diminish its potential. When it comes to app launching, it feels exceptionally fast and responsive. It uses around 3.2 gigs of RAM under idle conditions, and the main Cosmic capacitor barely consumes any RAM or CPU resources. Overall, I would say Fedora 42 with Cosmic Desktop offers a fresh and intuitive user experience diverging from GTK and Qt frameworks. Linux users are likely to appreciate this new desktop built using the latest technologies. And that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.